Set it again. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
That's big. That's really big.
Oh, shoot, son.
Oh. Golly. Whoa.
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 Whoa. Yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah, buddy.
Woo. Hey, thank you. Oh. Jeez. Nice little largie. Thank you. Go! Dang! This is the biggest of the year. Oh,
Absolutely. That thing is huge, dude.
real nice belly. In the audience.
Oh, yeah.
That's how hard you had to set it.
Jeez, dude.
Hope she's all right. But yeah. Frame grab. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Here it is.
Make more big mamas for us. That was not the best release. She's good though. Oh. All right.
Any final signing off words?
Just kidding. Wasn't actually gonna fall.
Here we go. You got him.
Yeah, he is. Trying to.
You said you'd never take me back, so why not try? Woo! That's what I did. You still got a mind. Put those green eyes, feeling me inside. Woo! Well, I guess you try again tomorrow night. Go down from your life. Every time you try to cross that line, and it's killing me.
Yeah, buddy. Woo.
Have it like a $50 bill. Well, that's a big time hook set.
That is a nice one, dude. You. Ooh, son.
Hey, how you doing? Just wanted to take this moment to say thank you if you're still watching this video, or if you've watched any other videos that I've made, subscribed, liked, done all that, metric algorithm stuff. Really appreciate it. Wanted to take this time to practice doing a little bit of voiceover work, step into the real YouTube world, kind of talk about some things here. And the painting my new twin fin video, honestly, is one of my favorite videos that I've ever made. And I've been making videos a long time before I started posting consistently or whatever, doing this stuff. And I think in the future, down the road, a actual formal how to paint a surfboard video for beginners is something that I really want to make and I'm passionate about, because I think that painting your surfboard is just another way to show your personality while you're out there. And it doesn't have to be some elaborate, well-designed, Picasso-looking sort of thing for you to get enjoyment out of it. And that's what it's all about. It's about you looking at the board and going, wow, that surfboard looks awesome. I think it's important in surfing not only to progress and gain satisfaction out of it, but I think it's very important to have a board that you are really stoked on and want to ride. And I think a little art, a little personal touch that you did yourself or even had someone else do, it just adds to that. It just adds to that flavor, if you will. But regardless, I could ramble all day. I'm definitely going to be making more stuff like this in the future. This is kind of just a test run. Me talking awkwardly into my phone, texting it to myself, and then overlaying it over this video. Thank you again. Hope you enjoyed this.